We know that knowledge level is mainly what? Recall questions, isn't it? That you want our learners there. Where learners have to just recall what they have learned. Where learners have to use their mathematical facts. Where learners have to use maybe the vocabulary of maths that they know. So there is no thinking that they actually apply when they respond to these questions. So those questions, then we base them at knowledge level, right? Then we come to routine procedure that weighs like 45% of the question paper that you're sitting. So routine procedure are the procedures that you have taught in class, okay? Where learners have to just apply the procedures that they have learned in class, the procedures that they are familiar with. Well, the numbers may be different to what they did in class, but they are familiar with the procedures. So they perform those known procedures in routine procedures. And this is one level, in terms of cognitive levels, that weighs the most. Because every learner at least can attain marks in this level, as well as a knowledge level. That is why it is said, if the question paper has got a lot of routine procedure and knowledge level questions, then a learner, because it weighs 70% altogether, a learner will be able to pass a paper. Because the other two that are of a higher level, which is complex procedure and problem solving, they weigh only 30%. So even if a learner cannot get to those two levels, a learner will still be able to pass the paper if a learner is well taught.